everybody stand up, please. Honored families, and more importantly, our remarkable graduates. It is a great privilege to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate a truly momentous occasion, the graduation of Class 2025 from American College of Health and Science. By the way, this is the biggest group of graduation we have, just so you guys know. This day marks the culmination of years of dedication, perseverance, and unwavering commitment to noble profession of nursing. To our graduates, you have journeyed through countless hours of study, clinical rotation, sleepless nights, and all to pursue the excellence. You have demonstrated resilience in face of challenges, compassion that will define your career today. We recognize not only your academic achievement, but also the personal growth and professional readiness you have attained. Are we ready? Yes! I would like to extend my gratitude to the family and the friends who have supported our graduates throughout their journey for the last 3 or 4 years, that they supported their husband, their wives, their children. I mean, that's a lot of work that you guys put in just to be able to let the student study or do their adaptive quizzing or review for their exams. Thank you so much, all family members. I'm wishing our graduates success and fulfillment and courage to make the difference in the world of healthcare. The world needs your skill and compassion. When you walk into the patient room, don't just think of that person as a patient. Think of that person as one of your family member, and you will notice that the care that you will be providing the patients will be different if you think of every patient as one of your family member. To our esteemed faculty, thank you so much for the expertise and mentorship and the tireless dedication for shaping the next generation of the healthcare leaders. As we step forward into the world as registered nurses, when we pass our NCLEX, remember to value and instill within you empathy, integrity, and the commitment to lifelong learning. Once again, congratulations to each and every one of you. The future of nursing is bright and it is in your hand. And you can be very successful if you go out there and hustle around. You cannot really be successful if you stay home, watch Netflix all day. Okay? Let us celebrate your achievement with pride and joy. Thank you. Now, we're going to have Dr. Lucas going to be speaking. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Chief Executive Officer, Program Director, esteemed faculty and staff, proud families, distinguished guests, and most importantly, the graduating class of 2025. This is all for you guys. Today we gather to celebrate an incredible milestone, the culmination of years of dedication, resilience, and unwavering commitment to the noble profession of nursing. Each of you has demonstrated perseverance, compassion, excellence, embodying the values that make nursing not just a career, but a calling. The journey doesn't end here, right? It is just the beginning. Graduation is a remarkable milestone, but the next challenge awaits for you. The licensing exam. What's that called? Stay focused, trust your knowledge, and approach the exam with confidence. You have prepared for this moment already. You are ready. And success is within your reach. Embracing the responsibilities of nursing is a lifelong commitment. As you step into your career, remember that every patient is an opportunity to make a difference. Nursing is not just about procedures. It's about compassion, advocacy, and unwavering dedication to providing the best care possible. As nurses, you are the heartbeat of healthcare. The ones who heal, comfort, advocate, inspire. The journey you have embarked upon is more than mastering clinical skills. It's about embracing the responsibility of caring for others at their most vulnerable moments. Your path has been filled with challenges, sleepless nights, crying, and countless hours of studying. Yet, you pushed forward, driven by your passion to make a difference. You are now equipped with knowledge, strength, by experience, and ready to serve with integrity and compassion. Continuous learning is a key to excellence, whether it is through specialization, advanced education, or hands-on experience. Growth in nursing never stops. Be open to learning, stay curious, and always strive to be the best version of yourself, because great nurses never stop evolving. As you step into your future, always remember every patient is a story. So listen with empathy, right? Every challenge is an opportunity. Learn and grow. Every day is a chance to make an impact. Lead with purpose. The world needs nurses who advocate, innovate, and uplift. And today, it gains some of the finest. Congratulations, class of 2024. Congratulations, yay! Thank you, and you may always serve with wisdom, strength, and most importantly, with heart. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Luca. Now, we're going to be hearing from one of our colleagues who's going to be giving us a motivational speech. Is she here? Welcome to Nordia. Great. Come on, Nordia. Let's give it up for Nordia.
Good afternoon. So, here we are, looking back from where we started from. Look at us now. Look at the long nights, staying up late, getting frustrated, worried, how am I going to do? Can I do this? And look at us, it's graduation day. And I hope that you guys feel in yourself that you pushed to the hardest limit to get get to this point today. And I wish that everyone feels happy and content with themselves that they've pushed this far to make it here today. Congratulations, graduate class of 2025.
Now we're going to be calling your name. You'll be coming up the stage to get your diploma. Okay? Angelo, come on up and start calling everybody.
As I call your name, please go to this side and have Caesar over there to help you get up just in case. It's a little steep, the stairway, so be careful. Dovina Auguste. Angeline Augustine. Caroline Guerrero. Marie Anneville. Yella Asumbert. Celine Bartolome. Rebecca Benjamin Smith. Paula Braga. Everybody dance in family. Please clap your hands. Tears of enthusiasm. Josephine Cadet Haley. Michelle Campbell. Veronique Serrant. Chantel Charles. Elise Dorsey. Jasmine Dorville. Paulo Ackham. Nicole Yui. Marie Israel. Anna K. Genti. Claudia Louise Junt. Karen Joseph. Kathleen Majesty. Tatiana Matlock. Congratulations. Deborah Mello. Jenelise Tara. Leona Paul Augustine. Mitchell Pierre. Nadine Rattray. Janelle Roseway. Gian Salau. Ivan Salazar. Winnie Sanon. Shirley St. Louis. I don't see Shirley Sanon. Oh, Minnie Sanon. Carla Wright Young. Marie Anneville. Bibi Zabar. Any graduates that I didn't call? Congratulations to all of the class of 2025.
Did we miss anyone? Everybody got their diploma? Yes. Okay, I just want to make sure. Okay, this time we're going to have Camila speak. Welcome, Camila.
Good evening, everyone. As we reach the conclusion of this beautiful and unforgettable ceremony, I'd like to take a brief moment to speak directly to my students. Not only as your professor, but as someone who has closely witnessed each of your journeys. Through challenge, tears, long nights, sacrifice, and has seen you emerge, not just with knowledge, but with courage. You set the standard, laid the foundation, and demonstrated the strength, dedication, and compassion that nursing demands. You are proof that determination, resilience, and heart can turn a dream into reality. You showed up when you were tired, when you were afraid, when you doubted yourselves. And yet, you persevered. You cared for others even when, at times, you forgot to care for yourselves. You studied, practiced, cried, and oh, how you did. And now, here you are, nurses. This journey wasn't easy. Was it? Who here remembers the questions that became a ritual in our classes? Exactly. Professor, how many questions will be on the test? And that's because I like to give tests with just a few questions, right? Professor, will there be NCLEX Lauderhill? Yes, for sure. Professor, can you give us a review? Professor, are you going to give us partial points on Saturday? And of course, my classic phrases. Pay attention, guys. This is going to be on the NCLEX and definitely on Camila's test. My test won't be easy. Study, and the one that never failed to appear. Are you sure? My way of putting pressure on you to see if you really knew what you were answering. How often were these words repeated throughout your journey? I'm scared, I'm so stressed, and it's too much content. But between the laughter and the challenge of the content, there were also difficult moments. There were moments of anxiety, high blood pressure, tachycardia, arrhythmia, nausea, even vomiting. Not to mention the sleepless nights spent studying for your exams. As professors, we know we pushed you to your limits. We demanded, we challenged. But we also helped shape professionals who are strong, well-prepared, and equipped with the clinical and critical thinking skills that this profession demands. There were long nights of study, early morning during internships, and moments when you questioned whether you were strong enough. Yet, here you are. You made it. You didn't just pass exams, you answered the calling.
I would like to request the photographer, the videographer to come to the front because you're going to be taking a shot from this side. And the graduates, please stand up. So we're going to be turning the tassel around. Please, the photographer and videographer, please come to the front here to take a shot of the graduate from the front. So now that you are graduates, we're turning our tassel towards the left side. Everybody, turn your tassel to the left side. That means you are now graduate.